Hi traders, just a quick apology over here. I think somehow the live stream just got cut off. I think we will rectify that. So as part two of this thing, just continuing on from where we left off on the euro dollar. So as I was talking about the second type of strategy that you can do, right? So the second type of strategy that you can do is entry on the close of the bar over here, and then taking a OE perspective, okay? On that. So how do we do that basically? So we would enter that on the close of the bar, right? On the close of the bar over here, right? 11053. And then what we would then do then traders is we would take the OE number. So that's what I was doing on the OE probabilities number based on market structure. We can take 15 pips from that close to the downside. And why am I taking to the downside? Because you can see on the euro dollar on the 1 hour time frame, it is towards the downtrend, right? That's one. The next thing also, what I'm doing also is that the VSA is on the gray light over here, and also it's in correlation with the current trend. Okay, so that's what I was mentioning before. So look at the trend, look at the phase on both the daily and the 1 hour. At least they should be correlating. I know on the euro dollar, as we took a look before, the daily wasn't really correlating because it was uptrend phase 2, right? So over here, what you can see is that on the 1 hour, but then however, at least the direction is correlating. So what we got over here is an uptrend phase 2, right? That one over there, right? The phase 2. And then the second thing is that on the 1 hour, we got a down trend, okay, something like this, right? So at least the direction is correlating, only the trend is not correlating. We can still take a trade, but you can reduce your risk on those kind of trades. And then when we're taking a look on the close of the bar, and I take a look at the volume as well, and at least a gray dot is fine, and then the volume is a bit supporting in terms of its relative volume across the previous bars. Then what we can then do, traders, take a position on that. And on the close of that bar, where will I put my target? Exits are where you realize your money, right? So then I take a look at this one over here in terms of the 15 pips, which is about 65% on a phase 1 move, right? At about 10% based on our research. And then there we go. And the number that we are really looking at to come into place is 11038. Okay, because I'm minus 11053 minus the 15, which is what I've done, 11038. Okay, there is about 65% probability chance of it getting there. So that's how we will take a look at this, traders. Now, remember, we can't get this OE stats table without having the market structure. That's what we've done in terms of the tops and bottoms quantification. And also, we've also programmed this with the help of our clients who got inspired, just like you who saw this, they got inspired, they came on and joined us and programmed this entire thing on the trading view and so on, so forth. Now on a click of a button, we can also get the MAE number. How much does it go against you before it goes to your target? Also the time too as well. All this to help you towards your initial stop loss placement and your trading stop loss placement. Now, some of you who are thinking, oh no, what's all this about? I haven't heard this, I'm not sure. Highly recommend you guys to watch 7 steps to CTP.com, right? Go in there, put in your name, email address, and number. It's optional. And then after that, then you will get the 7 videos collated by our 15-20 years of research. This is the very unique thing about us. Everything that we do is backed by research. Okay, watch those videos. These are the videos that really got us invited left, right, and center to so many places like the Society of Technical Analysis. Also, then they invited us to come and lecture for them and write their training programs as well. Okay. Other than that, also Ninja Trader, I'm also going live later on today at 4 p.m. You can catch me there. Also, Ninja Trader also has invited me so many times also based on all of this. Right, I guess that's that. We'll see how this trade comes on. I will post this on our TradingView channel. You can also follow us there too. Master the Markets 2010, okay, on live trade updates and also on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/master the Markets, this one over here. Okay, you can definitely follow us there. One last thing I'll tell you, also you can, once you click on the subscribe button, if you want to know anytime we go live, you can click on the all button icon. So when we go live later on at 4 p.m. with NinjaTrader as well, then you can get the notification on your phone or on your email as well. Okay, or on your whatever systems that you have got your YouTube on. Right, I guess that's that. We'll keep a track on the euro dollar. We'll also see how the GBP/USD does. In terms of other kind of trades that we also got running, which is more as an end of day swing trading, usually most of our clients and myself are quite busy during the day. So we do more swing trading where we only manage it during the end of the day. We got more swing trading kind of strategy. So we got one which is running over here on the Aussie dollar, as you can see over here. We've been running this for quite a few days, very minimal management. All the rules have been written out. 16th of September, currently just a little bit under $1,500, going to run it all the way to 6,999 target. Okay, what gives us the confidence to keep running all of this? So if you see, this is where we entered this particular trade, right? But what made us stick through on all these consolidations, all this big fat seller bar, outsider bar even, right? What gives us conviction even now as it's doing this as well to keep running it? All that is to do with, as I mentioned, market structure and our three stats that we get out of that. This was all designed by the quant traders back in the 1960s, which we then got their knowledge from. You won't really hear this in most places because it's very institutional quant material based. So as I said, 7 Steps CTP will teach you all of that. Okay, so watch those videos. All right, traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me. Last things I would say is some reminders would be that yes, we'll be going we're going actually live, actually. We'll be in person. You can meet us in person at the Property Investor Show. We've been invited to come and exhibit there as well. So you can come and interact with us, engage with us over there, meet other property investors if you're into property, and also meet us in person. Why we usually go to Property Investor Show and why we've been invited is because, property investors need to diversify their portfolio to reduce their risk and increase their returns. So that's why sometimes we are invited to come over there as well. Okay, so we will be there. Other thing, I'll be going live later on, as I said, on NinjaTrader 4 p.m. You can catch us there too. I'll be talking about multiple time frame analysis. You can take a look at that. Usually most of our videos that we do over there, it gets to 25,000 views in 1 month. So it's really highly popular because most people can't find this kind of material anywhere else. And the other thing is our annual summit, right? It's happening on the 15th and 16th of November. We might be opening up the online side of it as well so that most of you can participate, as some of you have said that, those are not the right timings for you guys to travel, and we understand. So you can join us online from anywhere in the world. Right, traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.